Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to delete a lot of emails from a specific sender on Gmail, how can we do that? So you can write the sender name here or a specific text related to that sender, and you can get a lot of these results. So it's very time consuming to delete or move these emails one by one. So what I'll do is I'll click here, go to this checkbox, and from here I'll select all, and it only selected all 50 conversations on this page are selected, but I want to delete all of them. And right now you can see that my inbox is showing 3,497 emails that are unread. So what I can do is it has selected all of the conversation on this particular page, but I'll select for all of the other pages as well. You can click on this option, select all conversations that match this search. And once I click on this, you can see that a lot of emails, or many of them, are selected. 50 pages are there. So although we cannot see the count here, but once we delete that, we can see the unread emails will get much lesser. And now let's click on delete. It will ask you that you are doing this bulk action, confirm bulk action. This action will affect all conversation in this search. Are you sure you want to continue? Click OK. It will take some time depending on the emails that you have. And now we can see that a lot of them are deleted. Same thing can be done for other emails received. For example, I've received a lot of emails from this specific sender. So what I can do is I can just copy the name of the sender or the email ID. Let's say, let's search like this. And now I want to delete all of them. So same thing, let's click on select all and select all the conversations that match this criteria. And let's click on delete. Now, right now it's 3373. So 3373, let's see the count after deletion. And it deleted a lot of emails. So I can do the same thing for all the other emails that I have collected in bulk. For example, this Binance, if I write Binance here, select all, select all and select all conversation that matches. And let's click on delete. And this way you can get rid of all these unread messages that is causing your inbox to get messy. So that's it guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.